Okay guys, so it finally happened. This right down here, this is the Wybot S2 Solar. And for the last year, I've had this exclusively in this pool running 2 times a week. And for the last year, it's worked pretty great. Now, within the last couple of weeks, however, I will say it no longer works. So what does this mean? This means that this Wybot S2 Solar, this is pretty much trash. Now, before we get into this Wybot sort of review here, I want to mention that I am generally a fan of Wybot cleaners. Yes, I've used a ton of Wybot cleaners in the past. I still use Wybot cleaners. I use this Wybot S2 for about a year in the pool and it worked great. Now, over the course of the year, now I'm beginning to realize there are differences in terms of Wybot cleaners and which ones I really do like and which ones I don't like in particular. What I wanted to say is that Wybot is a good brand. They're a big brand, but they have some of the worst customer service on the market right now, if not the worst customer service, considering how big they are. Now, in my opinion, Wybot cleaners are worth it, but only if you pick up a value type of cleaner, meaning any Wybot cleaner that is about the $500 or less range. I'm talking about the Wybot C1. I'm talking about the Wybot C2, and now the Wybot B1. Those are value type cleaners for Wybot that they produce, that they sell, and I think those are good value cleaners. On the other hand, using this more premium version of the Wybot, using other premium versions with a higher price tag. I'm talking about the Wybot S2. I'm talking about the Wybot S2 Pro, this Wybot S2 Solar, and now this year they have a Wybot S3 even, which is the S2 taking it one step further with a self-cleaning station. As you get higher in terms of price, anything above $500, I worry about it more in terms of owning one of these Wybots. I do not recommend the higher price premium Wybots because of the fact that if they break down, even though they come with a warranty, this one right here, standard is a 2-year warranty. The Wybot S3, the new one, also 2-3-year warranty, whatever it is it offers, comes with it. However, the customer service of Wybot, even for me, I like to think that I have a little bit of pull here. They don't respond. When I reach out for a question to Wybot, I get no answer. I'm trying to get some support on a cleaner that only lasted 1 year. A cleaner, this one right here, at full price when it was first released was about $1,800. It's down to, I don't know, $1,100, $1,200 right now. It comes with a standard 2-year warranty. This is broken down, and I can't reach anyone to get any sort of claim started. And that is very unfortunate because Wybot has these $1,000 cleaners. That Wybot S3 right now is about $2,500, $3,000. If you purchase one of these high-end premium cleaners, yes, you get some really, really cool technology. Love the fact that Wybot was the first company to come with a self-docking station, first company to come with solar charging, and the first company to come with the self-emptying function combined all together in one machine. They're very, very innovative in that fact. But their customer service is so bad that even though it has all these cool features, at such a high price tag, I do not trust Wybot in general to take care of those claims because of my own experience, because of everyone's experience online and how bad their customer service really is. So people have been asking me lately, will I be reviewing the Wybot S3 Solar? Well, the truth is, I'm not going to go out and to buy that Wybot S3. I don't really believe in it, considering the fact that this Wybot S2 failed after a year, and it's also expensive, and I have no support from Wybot whatsoever. The Wybot S3 is pretty much the same cleaner, but with a bit more extra tech. And we all know that tech is a little bit tricky nowadays, so we have no idea how long that will last. The Wybot S3 coming in at the $2,500, $3,000 mark, I would not buy that. I do not think it's worth the money. At that price tag, you're looking at an all-in-one cleaner type of price range. You're looking at a cleaner that's supposed to clean the bottom surface of your pool, the floors, walls, and waterline, and also float to the top and clean the top surface of the pool. This Wybot S2, the Wybot S3, The new one is not an all-in-one type of cleaner. I don't think it should command such a high price tag. What you're really paying for is literally the fact that it empties itself out. In my opinion, the Wybot S3 is not worth the $2,500 price tag. In reality, if the price of that drops down to half, I'd say less than half at the $1,200 mark, yes, maybe it is worth it in that sense. But right now, I'm not going to go out and buy that Wybot S3. So in general, if you're looking to pick up a Wybot brand cleaners, I will say this again. I do like Wybot cleaners. I do prefer their lower price value type of cleaners. Anything under the $500 mark, the value type of cleaners provides a lot of features for the price. I think those are worth the money. But anything above that price, $600, $700, $8,000, $2,000 range, I would completely avoid from Wybot. Their lack of customer service really does drive you away, and you will experience the lack of customer service if you ever have a claim. So just keep that in mind. Really unfortunate because they have such cool technology, but they have such terrible, terrible customer service.
We hope this review helps.